Today we're going to show how the MDO can measure both time and frequency domain and correlate it for the user so they can understand what's going on in real time. Now if you look at the top screen, you'll see that that is our trigger signal, and our device is going to be transmitting at 900 megahertz until we hit the trigger. Once we hit the trigger, it's going to turn off and we're going to transmit at a different frequency of 2.5 gig. What you see on the bottom is the frequency representation, and what you can see is we're transmitting at 900 megahertz, and you can see that marker right there, and these markers automatically turn on when peaks are detected. It's one of the features of this scope. Now one of the things to notice is this scope has a 1 gig capture bandwidth. So we're going to be able to show you in one shot the ability of the device to transmit at 900 meg, then it's going to get turned off, and then it's going to turn back on at 2.5, and we're going to capture that all in one sweep. So one of the most important things to take out of this is the orange bar that's currently moving right now. And what that is that's the correlation that this scope provides between the frequency and the time domains. So that orange bar tells you that at that point in the time domain, which is the top screen, it shows you what's happening on the bottom screen, the frequency. So as we go closer to the trigger event, you can see what's going on in frequency. Now as we hit the trigger, you're going to see the signal turn off, and that's what we want to see, because when we hit the trigger we want the device to turn off, and as we keep going across you're going to see the other channel turn on of this device at 2.4 gig. Two things this scope provides: one, a 1 gig capture bandwidth or greater if you're centered about 1.5 gig, allows you to see what's going on in a much broader span, and also you can time correlate with what's going on with your trigger signal up top. This ability allows you to really understand what's going on in your circuits real time.